I'm National Weather Service Phoenix meteorologist Jared Heil with a forecast update for you on this Friday morning. Hopefully you're having a great start to your day out there. We have some clouds passing through, even some very light rain and snow showers with this disturbance that's going to move by very quickly. In fact, we will see clearing skies and lots of sun, we think, by later on this afternoon. But this is continuing to drag down some colder air. Any of these light rain and snow showers getting out of here this morning, but if you're traveling toward northern Arizona, we're thinking like I-17 toward Flagstaff. Roads are snow-covered and slick up toward Flagstaff this morning. Lots of sunshine and clear skies for the most part over the next several days, but this northwest flow is going to keep colder than normal temperatures in our forecast for quite a while, with freezing conditions becoming more and more likely. Now, talking about our snow potential here, this is for just this morning. Notice mainly Gila County and far eastern sections of Pinal and Maricopa counties across the high terrain. That's where we could see some light snow that accumulates this morning. But again, the lion's share of the travel difficulties will be north of our area heading toward Flagstaff. This is the bigger concern that we're talking about, though, the risk of freezing temperatures. And you can see there on the right side of your screen, that's the chance of reaching freezing this weekend. In central Phoenix, really no chance of that occurring, but Casa Grande, 67% chance of getting to around freezing either Saturday or Sunday morning. Parts of La Paz County could even get down toward hard freeze conditions, about 100% chance there, guarantee, in fact, to the northeast of Quartzsite near Winden, of reaching freezing. So very cold temperatures on the way, and it's always a good reminder to check on the elderly folks without access to adequate heat, and of course bring those pets indoors and any plants that you want to save this time of year, because we are going to see those cold temperatures over the next several days to come. And here are the advisories we have. Freeze warning in effect in that dark shade of blue for northwest Pinal County and the Queen Creek area of the metro Saturday, Sunday morning, and then a hard freeze warning out to the west in parts of La Paz County, and this is going to go for Saturday morning. The jet stream pattern really tells the whole story here with this northwest flow and occasional disturbances. Meanwhile, we have a ridge of high pressure off the west coast that's really not going to move much, and that's going to keep the warmer than normal temperatures or even seasonably mild conditions held off to our west and southwest for the next several days to come. Talking about this extended period of cold, this is Tuesday of next week, and this could be the day when we have some more freeze impacts in a deeper part of the Phoenix metro. Now, downtown likely going to stay above freezing, but Chandler, Queen Creek, Scottsdale, especially along and northeast of the 101, and then Buckeye, all of these areas have nearing a 50% or better chance of getting down toward freezing. So these are temperatures in the urban heat island we don't see too terribly often, but in this situation with this cold air that's just kind of sitting around, we have that potential for the early part of next week. Look at these high temperatures. A lot of folks coming in town. We have a lot of events coming up scheduled over the next 2 and 3 weeks here in the metro, and we are not having snowbird weather for sure. Highs in the 50s, perhaps nearing 60 by the middle part of next week. And overall, you can see there with this rainfall forecast, that's the one good thing for outdoor plans. Not expecting much precipitation as the pattern is flipping a little bit. We did have this westerly flow bringing in a lot of Pacific moisture. Now it's more of a northerly flow, which has a lot of dry air with it. That will keep the majority of the rain well off to our northwest and well off to our east as well for the next week or so. So the bottom line, drier weather but colder temperatures here to stay across much of southern and central Arizona for the next week or so. Keep in mind you can stay tuned and up to date on our weather information right here at the National Weather Service social media channels, YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook. Have a great day.